day to Madam FATIN Najwa. So my name is NATALIE Cheng Anta. Today the title of our presentation is Road to Sustainable Transport Infrastructure Focusing to Improve Energy Efficiency. Sustainable Development Goals are a set of 7 interconnected global goals intended to serve as a blueprint for achieving a better and more sustainable future for everyone. Malaysia has committed to the 2030 Agenda for SDG. However, civil engineering practices involving energy efficiency in terms of knowledge and sustainability-minded generation entering the field have not been at the intended level. Hence, there are 4 problems, and my group member and I will present to you our suggestions for the solutions to these problems. Cyclists had been cycling on highways together with every type of vehicles on the road. This is a safety concern since cyclists have inadequate protections against injury and are unable to attain high speeds. Despite banning them to cycle on certain highways such as KLIA Expressway, there are still a growing number of bikers, and interest in cycling is anticipated to grow. Without a remedy, this merely demonstrates the government's lack of understanding and management policies on acknowledging bicycle safety on road. Our solution is to build a cycling-friendly infrastructure such as a cycle freeway as shown in the figure. This will not only minimize traffic congestions on major roads, but also promoting environmentally friendly travel, which contribute to SDG 3, good health and well-being. Cycling encourages people to live healthy. When personal vehicle transportation is substituted with cycling, air quality and road safety will also increase whilst creating a safe conditions. Thus, reduce the number of deaths and injury caused by road traffic incidents in Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anis and I will talk about one of the criteria for energy efficiency, which is compound and car park. As you already know, a parking lot is a clear area intended for parking vehicles. However, insufficient lighting in the parking lot makes the surrounding condition less visible, exposing people to danger. We can see that at times, especially at night, the area is dark and quiet despite the presence of street lights. This exposes the public to danger, especially women who are alone, and can also prevent small accidents such as colliding with road barriers or other public property while parking a vehicle. According to the Sustainable Development Goal 7, Affordable and Clean Energy, this parking lot can use energy conservation, which is the effort made to reduce energy consumption by using less of an energy service. We can use LED solar motion light sensors to save energy because solar lighting fixture absorb energy directly from the sun's beams during the day and utilize it at night and in adverse weather circumstances. This light will turn on when it detects movement approaching it in the dark, and the device can be placed on the barrier to make the light clearer and brighter for the driver to see when parking the vehicle, as well as to make it easier to get sunlight throughout the day. Therefore, there are no such sensors or technologies in use for open parking lots. The reason is ultrasonic and infrared sensors are susceptible to environmental conditions. Erroneous parking occupancy information may result. Then, why not make new innovations on the open parking lots in Malaysia?
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I'm Rania. I'm going to talk about the highway infrastructure innovation with energy efficiency on interchange. Since 19th century, there have been huge gains in both population and wealth, which can lead to excessive consumption of energy. At highway, street light, traffic monitoring system and toll gate all need electricity. Later, massive amount of electricity will be required for roads that quickly de-ice and charge automobiles. Electricity for road system is provided by very expensive infrastructure to the grid. As a solution, solar energy is a renewable energy source. One of the most popular ways to collect and turn solar radiation into power is photovoltaic solar panels. According to Sustainable Development Goal 7, investing in solar and improving energy productivity and ensuring energy for all will expand infrastructure and upgrading technology to provide clean and more efficient energy in all countries. They will encourage growth and help the environment. Why solar panels installed at highway interchange? From the research, we will need more energy accessible, closer to interstate and interstate exits, and more financing to support the infrastructure demands as our transportation system become smarter and electrified. Department of Transportation (DOTS) can solve this need by allowing generation of renewable energy using the unused roadside areas. In South Korea, these solar panels was installed at two spaces between two interchange because they want to build large-scale photovoltaic solar panels along their highway. Lastly, solar engineers create and evaluate, design for simulation and testing while working on the design or construction of solar project to optimize the amount of electricity they can create. They coordinate the placement of panels, inverters, and electrical components. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. My name is FATIN NURSYAZA, and for my part, I would like to share with you my small research regarding highway infrastructure innovation to relate with SDG strategies. I chose rest and service area as my case study, and my focus would be water conservation. Most people stop at rest area for toilet break during their long car ride on highway. The amount of water used for flushing toilets and urinals that are used for washing is quite plenty per person. For authorities, they need water to clean the toilet, dine area as well as watering the plant, which consuming a lot of water. According to SDG Goals number 9, Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure, promoting sustainable industry and investing in scientific research and innovation.
And for that, I suggest we build a rainwater harvesting system where water can be collected in cistern or rain barrels from rest area, roofs, or any suitable place on the site.
The water that we collect from the system can be used on site for toilet flushing, cleaning, and watering the plant. And for saving more water, we can replace normal sink to a sensor sink, so we can prevent people who have a tendency to keep water running without using it wasting more water. Have you seen this kind of roof? This roof is where we planting grass on top of it to absorb the rainwater, which retains and slow down water runoff on the roof surface, parking lots, and pathway throughout the rest area. Furthermore, it can give a natural soothing effect during the life. As conclusion, we can use our knowledge and expertise in building new infrastructure or new innovation for us to achieve SDG Goals number 9 in terms of conservation.